Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest tutorial as to how you can edit videos for YouTube using Imovie. I've been using Imovie for almost 10 months now since I created my YouTube channel, and honestly guys, it is one of the best free video editing programs that you could have, especially if you're just starting out on YouTube. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I currently use in order to edit all of my videos for my YouTube channel. Let's get this started. So let's go ahead to our computers, put on your blue light blocking glasses. I'm going to go ahead and put on mine. Boom! Super reflective, but I do not care. Look how cute they are. Of course, I will be including a link in my description under the tag shop this video if you guys are interested in buying some for yourself. Let's do this. Okay guys, so first things first, you want to go ahead and upload all of the content that you want to edit on your iMovie. So as you can see, I've already uploaded a bunch of different clips from my iPhone. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is how to start editing your content. So if you were to drag your mouse all the way to the right, you're going to notice a bar. If you were to click on that bar and drag it to the side, you can see that your video either gets longer, or you can choose a happy medium, or it returns to the normal size that it was dragged onto. I always like to leave my video completely open. That way I can really attend to all the details that I have to edit within my content. The next thing that I want to show you guys is how to incorporate your green screens onto your iMovie content. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys the green screen that I have along with the subscribe button. So I'm going to go ahead and drag that subscribe button to where I want it to be in my content. I'm going to click on it, and I'm gonna drag my mouse all the way to the top where you see these double square boxes. Click on that. To the left side, click on the arrow below, and then you're gonna click on green blue screen. Once you do that, you're gonna see that the element that you have chosen is gonna pop into your video, like so. And essentially guys, that's the exact same thing that you would do for any element that you would like to add using a green screen for your content, okay? So for example, I'm using yet something else, green blue screen, and then voila, it's actually in my video, no problems. Okay guys, so for the next part of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the different audio effects that you can choose to edit within your clip. So let's go ahead and choose this clip right here. We're gonna click on it, drag the mouse to where you see these little tiny circles, click on that, and once you're in there, you're gonna see where it says audio effect. We're gonna click on audio effect, and it's gonna open up like a little tiny square with a bunch of different options to choose from. So for example, if we were to choose pitch 2, right? For the video, we have chosen pitch 2. Let's go ahead and click it and see how it sounds.
Or should I say, welcome back to the premiere of my crazy hair.
So essentially, I sound like a chipmunk. Next up, I want to show you how to include music within your iMovie edit. So you're going to drag your mouse to where it says audio, click on that, and you can already see here where it says music, and you can see sound effects. iMovie already brings a bunch of different sound effects to choose from, but for music, it's not necessarily such a good option to use, right? So what I like to do is either surf the net or go through Amazon to find a bunch of different copyright-free music that I can actually download and use within my iMovie edits. And once you've chosen the song that you want to add to your iMovie, all you have to do is just simply drag it to your movie. Right? So that's going to appear for the entire movie. If you guys wanted to include some sound effects, all you have to do is literally scroll to sound effects. Choose whatever you'd like. For this example, I'm gonna do the bottle cork because that's literally what I use in all of my videos. Drag it to where you would like it to pop up to that video. Make sure that you hit the bar and open up the video a little more just so you can actually edit that. And we're gonna leave it at 100 since the volume is pretty loud. And let's hit play. There you go. So that's literally all you need to do is just click on audio, choose your music, your sound effects, and literally drag them underneath your video to incorporate them into your content. Now let's go ahead and talk about transitions. All you need to do is literally click to where it says transitions above, and you have a bunch of different options to choose from, right? So let's go ahead and choose the cube, for example. Place it in between the two clips that you like, and then press play. Okay, if you'd like to make that moment shorter or longer, all you have to do is just double click it and then simply change the time to whatever you'd like. So for the next part of this tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and talk about slow and speed motion, right? So choose whatever clip you'd like to alter. For example, I'm gonna be using this one as an example. We're gonna scroll up to where you see this little clock. Click on it and you're gonna see that it says speed. Click on the arrow below and then you have a bunch of different options. You have normal, slow, fast, freeze time, and custom. Let's do fast for this one, even though it's gonna be really, really fast. And then for this one, we're gonna go ahead and click it and we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna do slow, right? And then we're gonna do 25 just to give you an example. So let's go ahead and click on them, see how they look. So, oh, there you go, super fast. And then super slow. If you wanted to freeze a moment, for example, freeze that moment, all you would have to do is just simply go ahead and switch it to freeze frame. And that's what's gonna happen. Slow, slow, and then, oh, freeze frame. So the next part that we're gonna talk about is text. How do you add text to your iMovie edit? So you're gonna click the clip that you like to add text to, correct? Go to where it says title on the top, click on that, and you're gonna see a bunch of different options. Choose the option that you like. Let's go ahead and choose center as an example. It's gonna immediately pop up, click on that, and you can write whatever you like to write. Hit enter, and all you have to do is just go ahead and play that clip and it should pop up no problem. So for the next part, I want to show you how to be able to zoom into a specific area within a certain clip. So highlight the clip that you like to zoom into your face, for example, or a certain object. Highlight that. You're going to scroll to where you see this little square. Click on that and you're going to click on Ken Burns and you're going to notice two squares. One square says end and then the other square says start. Alter the end square as to where you like the camera to pan into, and leave the start button and we can check that out, see how it came out. You guys can see the slight panning into my face, and you can literally repeat that same process to any clip that you like. Now I'm going to show you how to quickly fix lighting within a certain video that's a little dark. So I'm going to use this video as an example. Let me go ahead and play it for you so you guys can see how dark it is. Not the best lighting, right? Let's go ahead and pause it, highlight it. We're gonna scroll up to where you see the little paint palette, click on that, and the first blue bar, let's go ahead and drag the circle to the side, and you could already see the video getting a lot brighter. Let's go ahead and leave it there just as an example. Let's click on that. Look at that, what a difference, right? You can actually see my face. And all you need to do is simply repeat that action to all the videos that may seem a little darker than you would like them to be. And last but not least, guys, let's go ahead and talk about video effects. We're gonna use this one as an example. We're gonna scroll up to where you see the three little circles once more, click on that. You're gonna see where it says clip filter, click on that, and you're gonna see another square with a bunch of different options. For example, we can do sepia. We can do romantic, look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the vintage, for example. Click play, and there you go. That is it for today's video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to click that subscribe button below for more weekly how-to videos. Also, remember guys that I will be including a link in my description under the title Shop This Video to the blue light blocking glasses in case you guys are interested. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay creative, but above all, let's remember to be kind to one another. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you all this Saturday.